So now we're going to finish up on our glitter graphic here. As we look up here, we can see that we have our blinking star here. What we're going to do is we're going to just add another layer over the top of that. I'm going to do that with, let's do this with my square tool here. Let's just go ahead and come in here and draw and create one like so. There we go, that looks pretty good. And let's go to our pick tool. And what we're going to do is we're just going to rotate this around a little bit. Actually, we might have to. There we go. Going to rotate on its side like so. We're going to take it and place it right here above this star. Now, as you can see, we should have a nice blinking path from, let's hit enter so we can continue modifying here, from this guy to a star. Now, I don't like this. He's kind of not squished in the right proportion, so let's adjusting just a little bit here. It's actually taking back to being square. There we go, enter, now hit it. Now let's adjusting just a little bit. There we go, that's a little bit more, it's a better diamond shape right there. We'll nudge it up a little bit. Let's re-rotate it around just a little bit. There we go. So now as you can see, it's going to blink from, let's see, hit enter, of course. And of course, he's going to blink from that guy to that guy, that guy to that guy. So this is going to be our blinking pattern. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to create another little part for it to blink from. So we're going to stop here and we'll pick that up in the next part.